Hi class, today we're going to be factorising some linear expressions. Tricky part here is knowing what this word factorise means. Once you sort that out, should be fine. What we're going to do when we factorise an expression is going to try and break this down into pieces. So that instead of having a 6a plus 18, we can write it as something times something else, where both of those things would be factors of the 6a plus 18. Best way to think about it is expanding brackets backwards, but also watch out for using the biggest factor when you're factorising. So if we take this first one here, the 6a add 18, I know that 6 and 18, they both go into the 6 times table. They go into other ones, but 6 is the biggest times table they go into. So I'm going to take 6 out of the bracket. If we used a 3 or a 2, we'd still end up with common factors. So by fully factorising, take 6 out of the bracket. Now from there, inside our bracket, 6a divided by 6 just leaves the a, and 18 divided by 6 leaves us with 3. You could also just think, what you times 6 by to make each bit, and that can work too. And that's it, that's what your answer looks like. We've factorised it because a 6 times an a plus 3 makes a 6a plus 18, and there's nothing in common within our bracket. Let's try the second one. 4c minus 10, same process. What do these two bits have in common? The 4c and the 10, they are both in the 2 times table. So we write 2, open my bracket. Now to get from 2 to 4c, it's 2c. Keep that minus. To get from 2 to 10, it's 5. So if we expanded the brackets for that, we'd end up back where we were. Right, a couple more, got some letters in there to make it a bit more complicated. On this third one, we've got both numbers in common, there's a common factor in those times tables there, and we've got letters in common. So to factorise this one, 18 and 63, they are both in the 9 times table, so we take a 9 out of the bracket, but because there's an a and an a squared, we're going to take an a out of the bracket as well. Now that leaves us with inside the bracket, to get from 9a to 18a squared. We could say 9 times 2 is 18, or we could say 18 divided by 9 is 2. Either way, you get the same place. A squared to a, means we need another a, plus, now we had 9a out of the bracket, we've got 63a there, so another 7 in there. Fourth one, a little bit more complicated, multiple letters going on there. Let's think about the numbers first. 15 and 25, they're both in the 5 times table. This one's got an a, this one's got an a squared, so we can take an a out of the bracket as well. This one's got a b squared, this one's got a b, so we can take a b out of the bracket as well. So, how far off are we from here to here? Well, the 5 times by 3 makes 15. You've still got an a already. We've got a b, we need a b squared, so have a 3b in there. Keep that plus where it was. We've got 5ab there, 25a squared b, so 5's for 25, we need 5 times. And the ab to the a squared b, we need another a in there. And that's it, that's factorising. Have a go at some of yourself, see you get on. Cheers.